Gaurav Gogoi assumed the charge as the state Congress president. Leader of opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi didn't hold back any criticism when he targeted the Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma. Rahul Gandhi accused the Assam Chief Minister of widespread corruption and misuse of power, saying that one day Congress lions would send him to jail. He added that Himanta Biswa Sarma thinks that he's a king and he fears that the evidence is now on his face as far as when it comes to Rahul Gandhi, also alleging that even Prime Minister and the Home Minister will not be able to save him. This visit comes ahead of next year's assembly elections in the state of Assam.
आपके चीफ मिनिस्टर अपने आप को चीफ मिनिस्टर नहीं समझते हैं, असम के राजा समझते हैं। वो जानते हैं कि एक ना एक दिन कांग्रेस के जो बब्बर शेर हैं उन्हें पकड़ के जेल के अंदर डाल देंगे। कुछ ही समय में आपको यही मीडिया वाले आपके चीफ मिनिस्टर को जेल जाते हुए दिखाएंगे और इससे उनको ना मोदी बचा पाएगा, ना अमित शाह बचा पाएगा। आप देखना वो जेल के अंदर आपको दिखेंगे।
However, the Congress party has come out in strong defense of Rahul Gandhi, who is currently out on bail as far as when it comes to the party, which is accused Assam Chief Minister of corruption, with Congress leaders claiming that he will soon face jail time. They further claim that even Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Shah will not be able to protect him. Congress leaders asserting that the people of Assam will see Himanta Biswa Sarma behind bars and that the state no longer wants Himanta-led BJP government in the state.
What Rahul Gandhi ji has clearly stated, both inside and outside, is that Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma and his family will pay for their corruption in the future. People of Assam will see Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma in jail. This is the aspiration of not a party, but this is the aspiration of the state of Assam.
It is a very big and strong message today. This Rahulji has given to the people of Assam, not only to the Congress worker, and the people are determined to throw out this BJP government and the Himanta Biswa Sarma's government in 2026. So whatever Rahul Gandhi has predicted till now, everything has come in true. So it is a matter of time only. Himanta Biswa is going to the jail.
However, it was the Chief Minister who hit back at Rahul Gandhi, mocking that the Lok Sabha LOP came all the way to Assam just to make this remark. Taking a jibe at Rahul Gandhi, Himanta Biswa Sarma said that Rahul Gandhi conveniently forgot himself that he's out on bail in multiple criminal cases registered across the country. Meanwhile, the BJP leaders have also lashed out at Rahul Gandhi, comparing him to his grandmother Indira Gandhi and accusing him of displaying the emergency mindset.
जैसी दादी माँ वैसा पोता। हम तो हमेशा कहते थे कि इमरजेंसी मानसिकता से ग्रसित है राहुल गांधी, और आज दिखाई दे रहा है। राहुल गांधी एलओपी है, संवैधानिक पद पर बैठे हैं, पर संविधान को तार-तार करना ये उनके परिवार का एक प्रकार से डीएनए रहा है। मतलब कि तूड़ तड़ाक की भाषा भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं देश के प्रधानमंत्री और गृह मंत्री के लिए। वैसे 150 से ज्यादा गालियां भी दी है और धमकी देते हैं कि चुने हुए मुख्यमंत्री जेल जाएंगे। वैसे बेल पर कौन बाहर है राहुल गांधी पूरा देश जानता है। एक नहीं अनेकों मामलों पर आप बेलधारी है। दूसरों को जेलधारी बनाने के सपने मत देखिए। और सवाल ये बनता है कि असम के सुपुत्र का अपमान, ये कांग्रेस की पहचान।
Well, Mohit is connected with us live. Mohit, it seems that the political jibes and tigs have already started to fly already when it comes to political parties between the BJP and the Congress in Assam ahead of next year's assembly elections.
Well, yes, in fact, Amita, Rahul Gandhi was on a one-day trip to Assam and he met the party workers over there, the party leaders, to strategize on the upcoming Assam elections. And we know for a fact that how this was the first visit of Rahul Gandhi to Assam after Gaurav Gogoi was made as the PCC president in Assam. Now, Rahul Gandhi strongly hit out at Himanta Biswa Sarma, saying that Himanta Biswa Sarma will be behind the bars because he acts like a king, and it's because not because the Congress wants it, but people of Assam want him to be in jail. Now, he also went on to say that neither Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, or Amit Shah, Home Minister, will be able to save Hemanta Biswa Sarma. So it was a very, very strong attack coming in from Rahul Gandhi. And remember, Rahul Gandhi and Hemanta Biswa Sarma always had this bad blood. We know for a fact that Hemanta Biswa Sarma was with the Congress party. He left Congress party. He made serious allegations against Rahul Gandhi. And since then, we have seen how Hemanta Biswa Sarma has been very aggressive when it comes to attack on Rahul Gandhi. Now,
Absolutely,
BJP has also
saying as far as when it comes to the Congress's new team, they're now in focus as far as the working for the people, Sam, saying that the state BJP-led government would be ousted when the assembly elections happen. That has been as far as when it comes to the political face-off. That is intensifying before the elections there. Mohit, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. We head into